Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome when it won't open on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop and right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From here, click on Show More Options to reveal additional settings, then select Properties. This will open a new window where you can modify various settings for the Chrome application. Once the Properties window opens, navigate to the Compatibility tab at the top. You'll see several options here that control how the program runs on your system. What you want to do is check two specific boxes. First, check the box next to Disable Full Screen Optimization, which can sometimes interfere with Chrome's ability to launch properly. Then, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. This ensures Chrome has the necessary permissions to open and function correctly. After you've checked both of these boxes, click Apply to save these changes. This first solution addresses potential compatibility issues that might be preventing Chrome from opening. Now let's move on to the second solution. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Windows Defender Firewall in the search bar, then click on it when it appears. This will open your firewall settings, which control which applications are allowed to communicate through your network. On the left side of the window, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This brings up a list of all your installed applications and their firewall permissions. Scroll through the list and locate Google Chrome. Make sure the main checkbox next to Chrome is checked, and then verify that both the private and public checkboxes are also checked. These settings ensure that Chrome can access the internet through your firewall without any restrictions. Sometimes firewall settings can accidentally block Chrome from connecting, which prevents it from opening properly. Now for the third solution, press the Windows key again and search for Run, then click on it. This opens the Run dialog box, which allows you to quickly access specific folders and locations on your computer. In the text field, type %user profile, %app data, /local, /google, /chrome, /user data, then click OK. This command takes you directly to Chrome's user data folder where all your profile information is stored. Once the folder opens, look for a folder named Default. This folder contains your Chrome profile data, and sometimes this data can become corrupted and prevent Chrome from launching. Go ahead and delete the default folder. Don't worry, Chrome will create a new one automatically the next time you open it with fresh settings. And that's it, you've now tried 3 different solutions that should fix Chrome not opening on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.